Trump's former fixer Michael Cohen denied bid for early release from probation. Michael Cohen, former President Trump's one-time fixer and a key witness in the Manhattan District Attorney's case against the former president, was denied his latest bid for an early release from probation on Thursday. U.S. District Judge Jesse Furman rejected Cohen's most recent request to end his probation early, ruling that it would not serve its purpose of rehabilitation or deterrence from future crimes. Cohen pleaded guilty to a variety of charges in 2018, including criminal tax evasion and campaign finance violations. The campaign finance violations relate in part to a $130,000 payment that Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels to buy her silence about an alleged affair with Trump ahead of the 2016 campaign. He was sentenced to 3 years in prison and 3 years of supervised release. However, Cohen was transferred to home confinement after a little over a year in prison. Trump's former personal attorney has petitioned the court 3 times since beginning probation for an early release, including last July, last December and this May. Federal prosecutors argued that Cohen simply recycled his previous claims for an early release, which have all been rejected. Instead, many of the defendants' arguments are the same ones previously considered and rejected by the court, U.S. Attorney Damian Williams said. There is no reason, 6 months later, to reconsider that decision. Williams also noted that Cohen's recent comments in a book and television appearance suggest that he has not taken full responsibility for his actions. While Cohen is free to write and say what he wants, he cannot simultaneously distance himself from his conduct on cable news, while cloaking himself in claims of acceptance of responsibility in court filings, he said. Cohen's recent efforts to back away from his prior acceptance of responsibility is evidence of the ongoing need for specific deterrence, Williams added. The $130,000 hush money payment that Cohen served time for would ultimately result in the first ever indictment of a former president. Trump was charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in connection with the hush money payment this April. He pleaded not guilty to the charges brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg.